Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Nasir Soft. In this video, I will show you how you can connect MySQL to your Django application. So I will show you step by step all basic necessaries installation. So first of all, this is my MySQL. I have basically this is the MySQL client. You can use any client or a PHP MyAdmin. And inside this, first of all, you need to create a empty database. I create a database that name is DjangoDB. Okay, so inside your app and inside the Django app, inside the database, replace this database. Okay, and here basically from the engine we use the MySQL name of the database that you created, your username, and if you have password, right here the password. Okay, so that's it. Save the file, and inside now we will go to the terminal, and inside the terminal now we need to install two things. Okay, so before that, I basically inside the model I create a table for it. Okay, for testing that whether the MySQL works or not. Okay, so open the terminal, and inside the terminal first thing is you need to install the MySQL, okay, DB. So first of all, we need to create a new migration. For example, I want to create a new migration. When I create a new migration, it shows me this MySQLdb error. So we need to install this extension through pip, that is pip install, and the pyMysql. The pyMysql is being installed and the installation is successfully. Okay, so now if we again run this command, that is make migration, then it shows me now the error that MySQLdb client is missing. Okay, so you need to install another Python library for it, that is the MySQL client. For this, pip install MySQL client. Okay, enter, and the installation is being in process, and the downloading, as you can see that the downloading is completed. Okay, now if we again run the make migration command, then our successfully migration is basically created, and inside the migration here you can see that a new file is initial py is basically installed. So now through the pip minus.py, and we run the migration, and here you can see that all migration will be run successfully. It means all tables will be created in the MySQL database. Here if I go here and refresh inside the DjangoDB, here you can see that all tables are being created. It means our MySQL is successfully connected with our Django application. So I hope this video will help you a lot. If you have any question regarding this video, you can basically write your question in video description or video comment section. Order link is also mentioned. You can order any related works, and a question link is also mentioned in video description. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Stay blessed. Have a nice day.